Get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in less than 24 hours by just copying me step by step on today's video. When I started this YouTube channel, I have no other social media platform that is directing people to watch my video. I just came on YouTube, I opened a YouTube channel. I did not have any equipment, just in my room, and I did my thing, and I am able to get monetized in less than 1 year. I'm able to get more than 2,000 subscribers in less than 1 year without directing people from other platforms. Okay, if anybody has told me this trick when I started YouTube last year, I would have grabbed at it. So when I found out about this method of getting 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours on YouTube, I tried it out and it worked for me. I'm able to get more than 700,000 views, as you can see on my YouTube channel page, and I'm able to grow my channel, get monetized, and now I am earning money on YouTube. On today's video, I want to help you get your 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. Let's start from there. If you want me to talk more on how you can get your 4,000 watch hour and get accepted into the YouTube partner program really fast, just drop yes in the comment section. I'm definitely going to do that. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Rookie Rich, and welcome to join the family. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to YouTube on your phone. So you want to go to YouTube and you want to search trending. Now we are making use of YouTube because InShot is what we are supposed to actually make use of. But because now on InShot you have to pay money, as I say InShot, InSaver, you have to pay money for you to be able to download on InSaver. For those of you that don't know what InSaver is all about, you can download any video from any social media platform without watermark on InSaver. But now you have to pay. If you have the money, then you can pay and just make it easier. But this is an alternative route for you to follow. So these are the videos that are currently trending, and it has to be relatable. So let us look for a video. Okay, this one has 12 million views, another one has 67 million views, 47 million views, and so on and so forth. 192 million views. Let me just make use of this first of these 67 million views because it's actually catchy. So what you're actually going to do now is to click on share. Then you want to share to WhatsApp. Let us wait for it to load. Okay, let me just share it to my mom. Now, before you can press send, the picture, it has to show. Okay, please have that in mind. The picture has to show for you to be able to press send. Okay, so I'm just going to press send. Next thing you want to do is to start screen recording. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this right here and start the screen recording. This is actually going to, okay, so this is actually interesting. People want to engage in this type of video. So the videos that we're actually targeting are videos that are interesting, okay, and they are relatable. Interesting video that will keep people hooked and engaged to the end of the video. Okay, and what we are targeting is short, only short, because that one will not take our time at all. So it is done. The next thing you want to do is to head over to CapCut, and that video you want to export it into your CapCut. Okay, let's start from here. So I'm just going to make some editing. Okay, you want to reduce the sound to 0, because if you don't reduce the sound, then YouTube will actually detect that YouTube algorithm will detect that it's another person's video that you're actually making use of, and they can give your channel a copyright strike, which we are trying to avoid. So I'm just going to make the necessary changes. And the next thing you want to do is to add your watermark, your own name. I'm just going to add Rookie Rich. Okay, I'm going to drag this to the end of the video. The video is 45 seconds, which is actually good. Rookie Rich, it has to be somewhere here. Okay, so don't forget to off the sound. Okay, so now you are just going to export in the highest resolution, which is 2K over 4K exporting. So I'm just going to wait for that to finish exporting. In the meantime, if you are gaining value from this video, feel free to drop a comment below. Okay, and if you want me to talk more on another topic about how to make money on YouTube, then just drop a comment below. I'm actually going to respond. So let us wait for this to finish exporting. If you are from Thread as well, drop a comment below that you are from Thread. Okay, so I will support your channel too. Okay, so now that you've saved that video, what you want to do now is to go to YouTube and upload the video. Okay, go to YouTube and upload the video. Okay, so I'm just going to head over to YouTube and upload the video. So for the purpose of this video, I'm actually making use of this my YouTube channel. So you want to click on, when you get to YouTube, you want to click on this middle plus icon. Then you want to input the video. Okay, done. Just follow this step by step. Okay, it's actually loading right now. Now you want to add a song. You know that you've removed that song that actually came with the video because of copyright issue, and you added your channel's watermark. So now what you are targeting is the sounds that are currently trending. Okay, trending sound that people are actually, so YouTube actually recommend these top 3 sounds for me. This one has almost 700,000 shots usage, and this one is 1.6 million shots. This one is 9.5. So we are just going to make use of this 9.5 because it's people are actually using this. That means that it's trending. So I'm just going to click on this sound. Then mark. Okay, perfect. Let me reduce the sound. This is actually perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to click on next, and if you want to add any caption, then you can just add a caption right there, AA. But if you don't want to add any caption, then it's fine. By uploading, you are creating a YouTube channel and agreeing to so. It's because this is my first time uploading on this channel, just for the purpose of today's video. So what you're actually going to do is altered content, no. That one is very important. Comment on, so that you will receive comments from people. Paid partnership, no. Select audience, not made for kids. Location, you can input your location. If I want to use my location, I'll just input Nigeria. Anywhere that you are, just use your location. Okay, so upload that, so no problem. So caption, you want to make your caption very short and very straightforward, right? So you can just go and copy the caption that you found on the initial YouTube video, but you just change some words. And if you don't want to make use, okay, let's just say, for example, this is, let me just say, this is scary. Surprise emoji. Let me look for surprise emoji. Yes, is this now, this title is very intriguing and it will draw more attention to the video. So I'm just going to use caption, shorts, hashtag shorts, hashtag trending, hashtag relatable, hashtag shorts, hashtag trending, hashtag relatable. Yeah, so this is it, and you are just going to click on upload shorts right here. Okay, so coming right at my YouTube studio, as you can see, the short has already been uploaded. Okay, so this is the thumbnail, which is actually really good. Okay, so relatable, 4.4 million, trending, short, description, no need, public, yes. You don't want to, don't unlist it, don't put it to private, don't schedule it, nothing. Tags, you don't need the tag. Category, yes, category should be people and blog or entertainment. Okay, please check your YouTube, whatever niche that you are, just change whenever you are posting this particular short to get your 1,000 subscribers. Make sure that you change it to either entertainment or people and blog. Okay, so that YouTube will push it to those that are interested in that particular topic. Show how many viewers like this. Yes, I'm just going to save that, and YouTube will start pushing this in 20 or 10 minutes, YouTube will start pushing the video to people that actually needs it. Okay, so yeah, I want to let you guys know that you want to repeat this procedure at least 10 times a day. So what I advise for you to do to make it faster is go to YouTube, all the trending. If you want to search for trendy, search for trendy. If it's relatable, search for relatable. If it's short, search for short. So all the trending videos, send it to WhatsApp and screen record and go to CapCut, edit, come to YouTube, upload at least 10 per day. There's high chances that only one can give you more than 1,000 subscribers. Just one. Now you don't even have to upload the rest 9. Okay, it depends on your luck, because there's something about people that are watching videos from shorts. They subscribe. They are the best subscribers. You want to do that, and advice for you to do is maybe Friday, Saturday, on Sunday, weekend, when people are relaxed at home with their phone and all of that. This is the tip, guys, but I want to let you guys know something. When you've gotten your 1,000 subscribers that you need from this strategy, when you've gotten your 1,000 subscribers, please go and private those videos. Private those videos. I want to let you guys know that people that are actually coming from this video, there's high chances that they might not watch your long form content. They might not give you the 4,000 watch hour that you are actually looking for to get monetized on YouTube. The purpose of today's video is for you to get 1,000 subscribers with this method. So when you've gotten your 1,000 subscribers, you don't want YouTube to start to keep pushing the video to people. Okay, you've gotten what you want. Now it's time for you to private those videos. Then you can start posting your own videos. You can start posting your own videos and directing people to your long form content to watch your long form content. And you want to, if your goal on YouTube is to get monetized and start earning real money, I advise for you to focus on long form content. But if you are someone that is already good with short form content, then you can just stick with that, okay, and get your real audience. Because those that come from this particular video, they want all these relatable, funny, entertaining videos, and that might not even be your niche. Your niche might be in education. Your niche might be in something totally different from how you got your from how you got your 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so you don't want to solely rely on those people to give you. You don't want to solely rely on those people to give you your watch time. Their goal is to give you your subscribers, and they will be there. They will not unsubscribe. Okay. Using this method, I was able to get more than 2,000 subscribers with no stress at all, and I actually stopped there because I already, passed my 1,000 subscribers, and it's worked for me. If it can work for me, work for other YouTubers, then it can work for you. Don't forget, YouTube is currently on easy mode. We don't know when all this method will stop working, so you want to take advantage of that and grab this opportunity. Go and do that now, right now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait that, okay, I don't even know what. Don't no excuses. Just go to YouTube, go and start doing this and generate your 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. So that brings us right into the end of today's video. If you make it to this part of the video, drop a thumbs up in the comment section so I will know the people that really mean business. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.